Okay, let's start today by going over last night's homework, just to make sure we get this down. So, let's go over the homework. Number one, started by going up 4. Make a dot. Then you go down 1 and over 2. Down 1 over 2. And draw a line between them. Okay. Second one, start by going down 1. Make a dot. Then you go up 3 and over 4. What do you know? It goes through that point perfectly. So, because of that, you know that it goes through that point, which is the point 4, 2. And that's your answer for number 1. Number 2 goes down 4. Then it goes down 7, right 1, or you could go up 7 and left 1. Because that's what, there's still a graph there. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go up 7, goes back to 0, up 3 more, and left 1. Make a dot. Draw a line through my 2 dots. Much easier on paper, I'll tell you. Okay. Second one, I'm going to go down to -1, make a dot. And I go up 7 again, which is actually going to run me off the grid, and over 1. But for this one, we really didn't need to graph it to know the answer. Slopes were the same, and these numbers were different, so it's no solution, because those are 2 parallel lines. Number 3, we have 1/3 x plus 3, so we go up 3, make a dot, we go up 1, right 3, down 1, left 3, then you're at -3, sorry, draw your line, getting ahead of myself here. Then you have a vertical line at -3, right there. And so your intersection is just where they cross. So that would be -3, 2. Oof. I looked and this little record thing wasn't on the screen. I thought I'd said all that for nothing. Gave me a little panic here at 1:40 in the morning. All right, number 4. Go down 3, make a dot. Then you go up 3 and left 2, or down 3 and right 2. See, it takes me off the grid. So I'm going to go up 3 and left 2 again. You go up 4, make a dot. You go up 1, right 4, or you can go down 1 and left 4. See where our lines intersect. Intersect at -4, 3. So there's first 4. Hope you did well on those ones. On number 5, start by going down 2, make a dot. Then you go down 1, right 2. Second one starts at plus 2. Make a dot there. You go down 5. There's 2, 3, 4, 5, and right 2. Draw a line between those. You can see right where they intersect is there. That is the point 2, negative 3. Number 6. Start by going down 3, make a dot. And you go up 1, right 2, up 1, right 2. Wow. Then we have 4x plus 4. Go up 4, make a dot. Then you go down 4, left 1. Down 4 more, left 1 more. You can see where it intersects already. Negative 2, negative 4. Number 7. Start by going down 2, make a dot, go down 1, right 2. That's our first line. Second line, negative 2x plus 4. Up 4, go down 2, right 1. Just like that. Those intersect at the point 4, negative 4. Number 8. Right off the bat, I already know what it is. I don't have to graph it or anything. The answer is no solutions. You can graph it if you want. You can go up to 4, make a dot, or down to 4, make a dot first, technically. Then you would go up 5, left 3. Here you go, down 5, right 3. You end up with 2 lines that are parallel because they have the same slope. So that's why it's no solutions. Lastly, numbers 9 and 10. Number 9, x plus 2. You go up to 2, make a dot. You go up 1 over 1. If you learn this procedure, which is what's killing some of you guys, learn the procedure. It's the same thing every time, over and over again, for the rest of eternity. Go down 1, make a dot. From there you go down to right 1, make a dot. Or up to left 1, make a dot. Draw a line between those points. That is at negative 1, 1. And number 10, go over to x equals 1. Draw a line. You can tell my line was so crooked we weren't going to figure anything out. Then negative x minus 1, go down to negative 1, go down 1, right 1. You can see where they're going to cross at. So that crosses at 1, negative 2. All right. 6.1 Graphing Systems of Equations, Day 2. Can you look at a system of equations and tell whether it will have one, infinite, or no solution? How? Well, it's pretty simple. If they're completely different, the two equations, then it's one solution. Slopes are the same, and it's no solutions. And if equations are the same, so both of them are exactly the same, and it's infinite solutions. That's really it. So today we're just going to do more practice. Nothing else to teach you. Our objective is going to be exactly the same. You'll be able to find the solution to a system of equations by graphing. Example 1. How many solutions? We can look at this right away. The slopes are the same. These are different. The equations are not completely the same. But the slopes are the same. So you know it's going to be no solutions. If you must graph it, drag the graph one here. Start with the first equation, go up 3, make a dot, go up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1. Draw a line between those dots. Then you go up to 5, make a dot, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1. And draw a line between those dots. Graphs run side by side, they're never going to cross, so no solutions. Example 2, how many solutions are there? Y is by itself, nothing is the same. Actually, it doesn't even matter if these are the same. The slopes aren't the same. That's all you need to know. Slopes aren't the same, so there's going to be one solution. Oops. Okay, let's graph it. You start by going up to 2, make a dot, go down 3, and right 1. And if it's 2x plus 5, up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, make a dot. You go up 2, right 1, up 2, right 1. Now we get to estimate because it's not pretty. So we can say it's like negative 1/2 and 4, somewhere around there. Again, I gave you all pretty questions. You're welcome. All right, this one, how many solutions? Now don't get caught up. Y is not by itself yet. So you have to get y by itself. So it's 4y minus 8x equals 20. And there's some of these on your homework tonight. Start by adding 8x to both sides. Now remember, whether you add or subtract 8x, whatever numbers with the x goes in front. 4y equals 8x plus 20. Then you divide by 4. Your y equals 2x plus 5. They're exactly the same. So I know that it's infinite solutions. At this point, if it's no solutions or infinite solutions, I don't even need to see you graph it. All right, you tries. How many solutions? Then find the solution. So let's look at these first. You can tell me how many solutions there are. Starts with one solution here, and this is going to end up being no solution. You have to divide by 3. So y equals 2/3 x plus 3 divided by 3 is 1. So now I know this is no solutions, and I don't have to graph it. Up here, negative 4x plus 1, I go up 1, and I go down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, over 1. Here I go down 3, I go up 2, right 1. You can see where they cross already. Be right in there. Again, it's an ugly one. You just estimate, I'll say 0.75 and negative 1.5. Ugly. Okay, next ones. Have to get y by itself in both of them first. Now this is what your homework is more like tonight. So I gotta subtract x from the first one. Gives me 2y equals negative x plus 3. Then I divide by 2. Y equals negative 1/2 x plus 3 over 2, which is like 1.5. Second equation, I subtract the 3x over. Negative y equals negative 3x minus 5. It's not by itself yet. I have to get rid of this negative. It's going to be y equals 3x plus 5. There's my two equations. Now I can graph them. Probably going to end up ugly. So go up to 3/2, which is really just 1.5. Make a dot. And you go down 1, right 2, down 1, right 2. Then we have 3x plus 5. So up 5. We go up 3 over 1. Down 3 over 1. Hey, look. It actually turned out to be a pretty good answer. Across at negative 1, 2. This one, switching it up on you, making it ugly. You're still going to get y by itself. Then you can rewrite it with the y in front. So subtract 6. Gives you 4x minus 6 equals 2y. Divide by 2. You get y equals 2x minus 3. They're exactly the same. So infinite solutions. All right, good luck on your homework tonight. Looking forward to grading it all. Not really. All right, deuces.